Softens, hydrates. All-natural formula smooths and defines frizzy, dry, thinning, or dull hair. This leave-in conditioner is specially made for coarse and textured hair types. Combines well with other men's styling products. Thoughtfully made vegan. This premium leave-in conditioner for men has no animal ingredients or testing. It is paraben-free, sulfate-free, phthalate-free, silicone-free, petrolatum-free, and contains no pegs, mineral oil, or synthetic colors. Ideal for thick, wavy, curly, dry, textured or natural men's hair. Natural ingredients. Kale protein and white willow bark fight signs of damage and dryness, including flakes and dandruff. Infused with biotin, a water-soluble B-complex vitamin encapsulated into a liposome for enhanced delivery. Works more intensely than normal conditioner or a detangler spray. Easy to use. After shampooing, apply generously to damp hair. Gently massage into hair and leave in. For best results, follow with Scotch Porter Smoothing Hair Balm and Hair Serum. Masculine scent. This invigorating conditioner contains notes of eucalyptus, citrus, bergamot, cardamom, lavender, geranium, amber, cedarwood, patchouli, and musk. Top reviews from the United States. Better than Kiehl's Silk Cream Moisturizer. I've been looking everywhere for a replacement to Kiehl's Silk Moisturizing Cream, since they discontinued it. Finally, this is a product that is actually better. I can use less. It takes my hair without looking greasy. The scent is clean and subtle. Best of all, it's very affordable.